my life. What is that you've got there? Is that a bit of cheese?
No, it's the brand new EOS R6 Mark II. Oh, this, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Haven't been played with one of these. I love this when I was small.
I had toys, man. I don't know about you, but I had toys to play with.
This is different.
Yeah.
You don't have this all the time. That's the difference.
I never had them. My parents never had cocktails.
Cocktail and beers is something that you don't buy. You don't ask your parents to buy. It's only in some occasion. Take this home and then they break really easily. So.
Anyway,
Oh yeah, R6.
Mark II.
Last R6 really not that long time ago. Although I was in Hong Kong back then, which is like probably 2-3 years ago. Before it was 20 megapixel, now it's 24 megapixel. Whoa! But then they stay the same ISO performance, although with more pixels. Now some things are quite similar, especially the mechanical shutter continuous burst, which I want to, release without lens or something. Oh, it's on electronic shutter.
Now electronic shutter 40 FPS. Why, isn't it?
Yeah, it was just 20.
Yeah.
That's a,
Doubled that with this kind of level camera.
12 megapixel mechanical shutter. I mean, it's not the fastest in the world, but it's good. It's quite good. But not just that, they got pre-capture. Now they got pre-capture. 0.5 second pre-capture. You know, if you turn it on before you press the shutter, 0.5 second before it would already shooting. Basically, yeah, it was already shooting into the buffer. So the camera body is basically almost exactly the same. Say R6 Mark II there, but on the top, this is really useful. Still mode or video mode. Why don't other camera have this? Just a flick of a switch rather than you go to the mode dial, this and that. So in video mode, I remember last time the R6, you can only use M mode and P mode. So the R6 doesn't have S mode. Do I have S mode here?
You still got your notes from last time?
Yeah.
Oh man.
You can finally use S mode, I mean TV mode, on the R6 Mark II. That's good. I don't know why last time they can't use it. Another thing is this multi-function joystick thing. Can't remember what they call it, but apparently it's new. Well, it is new, and I think it still feels quite good. I can't pinpoint why it's good, but yeah, trust me, it's good.
Sometimes when it feels good, that's all that matters.
Quite the same here, my headphone, whatever, USB-C, but the USB-C, you can plug in those USB-C to Ethernet accessory to it. You don't even have to buy from Canon. You can also buy those Apple MFI accessory, so you can plug in Ethernet to the USB. And also this USB support UVC. Yeah, you can use this for zoom, so you don't have to use a fake blurry background. You can actually use a occlusive lens and then blur your background in your Zoom meeting. Movie, that's 4K 50 because we're in the UK. Full width of the sensor because before that it was cropped on R6, little bit cropped. Oh, you can turn it on as well if you want. But so many new gear, how do you get them all? It's all so expensive. But fear not, there mpb.com you can sell your gear, especially now, Canon, if you're a Canon fanboy and you have a lot of old lenses, oh, I want to change them all to Canon R. Sell that to mpb.com. It's really easy. You just go to the website, put in what you are going to sell. It gives you a quote instantly. Really, you get it like within 10 seconds. And then if you agree with that, set up a collection right there. You don't even have to get up from your over. Few days later, they come to connect your gear. Few days later, money in your bank. So very good. I used it a few times as well. By the way, car is not included in this. So I just realized I probably shouldn't put him.
That's right, freebie. MPB is pretty good. I use it to buy a lot of second-hand gear.
Yeah, yeah, you can buy second-hand gear as well.
Not sold anything to them, but I've given them a lot of my money.
Oh,
So give back MPB.
oh really? Yeah. I actually sell a few times to them and never bought anything from them. But it's really good idea to get second-hand because cameras are just so durable, and we know that. So check out mpb.com. Link in the description down below.
Down there.
Oh, extra content, how do you use false color? Because there's not many cameras have false color built in. Usually you need Atomos or whatever. A lot of the time when I use this, I use the 18% gray. But my camera, I have the zebra set to 18% gray. That's how I use it. But false color, even better. I mean, it do the same thing, but it's just easier, I think. So you can go to false color, turn it on, suddenly it's like, oh, what's that? It's too close. Yeah, okay. How to use it? You can look at the index here. So what I'm usually looking for is 18% gray because the charge got a 18% gray there. So usually I just look for that. One stop over 18% gray usually is good for skin tone. So now you just set your exposure accordingly. Yeah, until this little bit is green. So now is the correct exposure. It's that easy. The good thing about this is that you can see when you're adjusting it, you can see the color changing. Rather than with zebra, you just see yes zebra or no zebra. You don't know is it over or under, or usually you can tell, but still it is easier. The video 4K, obviously oversampling, full width of the sensor, but also, which I already forgot what I'm going to say. Oh yeah, there's no 30 minutes recording limit, so it's still obviously limited by the card, limited by the battery, maybe limited by the heat. We don't know yet, especially this is still pre-production. Even if I got a chance, I can't really test it. But yeah, at least there's no 30 minutes limitation. Oh, that's one more thing. There's 3 seconds pre-recording as well. So before you test, when you press the button, it records 3 seconds before that as well into that. So 5 seconds as well.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Yeah. Oh, 3 and 5 seconds. Lastly, not the first time I heard about it, it has lens breathing compensation. What's lens breathing? You are watching it right now. When you focus, the lens kind of like zoom in a little bit, like breathing. When you turn it on, it crop in a little bit and then it compensates the lens breathing, just like this. So this is this and that's that. This is Canon R6 Mark II. Not a huge upgrade, but there's some nice feature. That's it, thank you for watching, see you later.